Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we're gonna talk about Funnelex Advanced and how I signed up. So this is a CPA offer. You get click per lead action. There's certain qualifications are making $100 a day or $1 a day, $1 to $100 a day on EPS. On Funnelex. So what you do is you refer this unique link, right? And you're gonna see this conversion. You're gonna see this capture page, and what you're gonna do is you share that link. You get $1 per lead, qualified lead, which could get you $100 a day. And to the qualified lead criteria is for the system recorded. You must use the promotion link signed for you and you only. You must do in these 5 countries: USA, Canada, United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand. You must not use it like a fake email, disposable email, robots. They all will be rejected. You must confirm your account. What does that look like? Here's the confirmation email. I'm not gonna tap into it because it has my password in there. But you click this email that they sent you and you register, you confirm it, and then you must confirm your payment. So what that means is you go to profile settings, go to settings, profile settings, put your name, first name, last name, and the email that is connected to your PayPal. So so that's the email. So you click that, and then you get paid. So, and how you get paid is you get paid every 30th of the month from the last month's effort, and the threshold to get paid is $30. So that means if you say it's January 2nd, 2020. So if you make $30 worth of commissions, or just say you make $100 worth of commissions this month, you get paid on the 27th next month of February 2020, February 27th, 2020. So that's how you get paid with this click per lead Funnelex Advanced. So if you have any questions, the contact email will be below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also make sure you like the video, and further information for you to join other offers on making more commissions online will be below. Peace.